Do you want to know how you can log into your Yorkshire bank mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Yorkshire bank mortgage account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Yorkshire bank mortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page where you can see the login portal on the right hand side. Go ahead and hover around the login. Click login again and you can see that the internet banking has been moved. So go ahead and click go to Virgin Money website. As you can see, Yorkshire bank mortgage account has been turned to this. Now you can see that you can log into your account by clicking on this over here, or you can see sign in over here. Click on sign in and you can see mortgages. Click on mortgages and it will lead you to this page again. Now what you need to do is write down your customer ID, click sign in, and if your account exists, a password option will come up. Write down your password, click sign in again, and there you go. This is how you log into your Yorkshire bank mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.